But if you wanted to edit, that you go through this, as you can see, as a member, you have this project settings. And this is actually, I think this is, and Ed, our programmer, has been really working on trying to make these things maybe a little bit more useful in terms of, like, this is, you could come in here and add a watershed this way. Add a new watershed, add an existing watershed. But this is where you would edit your project. So you come back in and say, oh, you know what? I never did, I never did enter that analyst ID, or I never did do the total capital cost or something like that. And so you can come back in here, or said, oh, you know what? I accidentally clicked on passive treatment system, and it really meant to be an active treatment system. So you can come back here and change any of that information. However, you do have to remember to scroll back down and hit save. You can, although I really haven't messed with this myself, so I'm going to say it, but there is a place, actually, if you wanted to, you can come down here towards the bottom, and you can actually kind of like create like new revision and put like a little image or like a little log. I haven't messed with that much myself. The other thing you can do, which is a little bit interesting, is they have this manage all project content. This is a Drupal kind of thing. And so if you click on there, you'll see that there are these different items in here, which you could change. So for instance, let's say this treatment technology, you could edit. Maybe I'm lying. You're supposed to be able to edit. But although you could actually edit that, you should be able to edit through here. So if you want to edit your treatment technology, you would edit it this way. I guess that would be I guess maybe that was not the best example. Same thing with this information. You can edit it that way. All right, and so I think that kind of shows basically